Okay, so we started this off by saying we wanted to have this number here and we wanted it to increment every time we visited the page. So if we come over here, how would we actually accomplish that? Well, we would need to access the local storage object. So I could say local storage dot set item, and then I could say page visit count, and then I could set that to 1. But the problem is this will set it to 1 every single time the page loads. What I want to do is I want to increase it if it exists, and if it doesn't exist, then I want to set it to 1. Well, how could we do that? Well, if we go back over and visit our page, and I say local storage.get item, and I try and get an item that doesn't exist, like blah, 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 if I hit enter, it returns null. So what I can do is I can see if an item exists by trying to access it. So I could say if local storage.get item page visit count. So what I'm saying is if the page visit count exists, then I want to do something. Otherwise, I want to create page visit count and set it equal to 1. So it's going to see if page visit count exists because it's going to run this function. If it returns null, it's going to go straight to false. If it returns something, then it's going to come in here into this true. So what I can do is I can say let visit count equal, and then I've got to convert it to a number. So I'll say local storage.get item, and we'll get page visit count. And then I'll say visit count plus plus to increment it 1. And then I'll say local storage.set item page visit count, and I want to set it equal to the visit count. Once that's done, I want to log the visit count. So if I save that and I come here, I get null the first time I visit the page, null again, which means I have done something wrong. Let's look through this. Oh, it's because it's called page visit count. So I'll save it and I'll come over, and it says I visited this page 5 times. If I reload, I've now visited it 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's because we're going into local storage, accessing the value if it exists, and running our code. Let's get rid of that value. So you can come over here and click on page visit count and delete it. And now if we come to our console and reload, it says because the key didn't exist, it went and created the key and says we visited this page 1 time. If we reload, we visited 2 times. If we reload, we visited 3 times. And that's how you can use local storage to persist information between page reloads.